to Colorland Arts.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about slides, those super cool things at the playground. A slide is like a big smile-shaped thing that you climb up using steps on one side. It's like going upstairs, but more fun. Then, whoosh! You get to slide down the smooth surface and land at the bottom with a big grin on your face. Let's color. Green. Brown. Red. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Now, my slide is finished and ready to play. See you in the next video.